Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the account you want to link: Moonton ID, Facebook, Google, or Apple. Once done, open Mobile Legends and go straight to Settings account. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi connection because syncing can fail on mobile data. This prevents partial links. You should also back up any local progress first, so you can restore if something goes wrong. Now tap the Account panel to view available link options and prepare to authenticate with your chosen provider. You'll now pick the specific provider to link. Tap the Moonton ID button for a direct link, or choose Facebook/Google/Apple if those are your recovery options. When the authentication prompt appears, enter credentials carefully. Typos make the flow fail. If two-factor authentication appears, follow those extra steps. This adds security and ensures the provider accepts the request. After granting permissions, the app will ask you to confirm which in-game profile to bind. Choose the active profile and press Confirm to proceed. You finish by verifying the link. Go to Settings account and check that the provider name and ID are displayed. Once confirmed, log out and log back in to ensure the connection persists across sessions. If linking fails, clear the app cache, restart the game, and retry the exact flow. Mismatched credentials or interrupted network sessions are common causes. If problems keep happening, gather screenshots and timestamps. Then contact Moonton support with those details so they can unlink or assist safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.